In this video, you will see how SQUEAKS, a next-gen communication platform, makes it possible for traditional communication systems to work together with modern technology, improving productivity in your plant. Now let's take a look at a demonstration on how SQUEAKS can complement traditional devices to improve the process of manufacturing today. This demonstration is going to show how SQUEAKS transforms traditional call buttons and lights into intelligent communication systems that integrate with modern technologies such as smartphones and watches, while significantly improving productivity. On your screen is a traditional call system, also known in the automotive industry as an Andon. It's a very simple concept. Each button has a corresponding light. Each light color is for a specific type of call for help. In this case, we have blue for quality, yellow for logistics, green for team leader, and red for maintenance. When a button is pressed, the light will flash. The right person then needs to be aware of the flashing light, then respond to the request. As you can imagine, this type of system can lead to delays and a general lack of knowledge of who responded and when and how long it took to respond and solve the problem. So let me show you how SQUEAKS can transform these traditional systems. When the maintenance button is pressed, for example, members of the maintenance team instantly receive a detailed message on their SQUEAKS mobile app using push technology, or through their browser application if they happen to be sitting at their desk. Not only did the event instantly target the correct team, but to know exactly what is happening with this request, a workflow has been added to the message that must be completed by members of the maintenance team within a preset time frame, or the message will escalate up the management chain. A detailed history with timestamps is stored with every event reflecting this level of detail. You can also view any comments added and any pictures or videos attached to the message using the mobile app. For messages with escalation, you can see when and to who the event was escalated. All of this data can be extracted from SQUEAKS and analyzed for continuous improvement and to better balance your teams and valuable people resources. SQUEAKS enhances traditional call systems by instantly directing communication to the right people through smart mobile devices. With the ability to assign workflows and escalation rules, ownership is never in question. Creating a closed-loop work environment with increased productivity levels and overall response times ensures problems are resolved efficiently. SQUEAKS messages are paired with a rich and detailed message history to prevent issues from reoccurring in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you've seen how SQUEAKS can transform traditional communication methods into intelligent systems, leveraging modern technologies to drive productivity and help you get more done with fewer people in less time.